Hi there guys, welcome back to the Farrington channel, and in today's video I thought I would do a update video on my INodez staking for my Raptoreum coins, just to see what the how it's been going and seeing whether it's been worthwhile in investing my money into these guys and see how it's gone since I first started mining the coins and actually sending them towards the smart nodes. So I actually started with INodez within the first 200 nodes. So I was one of the first people, that actually signed up and got their money into this. Now I'm not specifically sure which one of these I'm currently, staked within right now. They used to be, highlighted and it show you which number you was with, but there's nothing there to identify which one that I'm actually with. So they pay out, each node pays out 1,084 Raptoreum a day, so that's shared between the amount of individuals that'll be on the smart nodes. So let's have a little look at my payments. So this is the daily graph. So something happened on, what's the date there? So yeah, something happened on the 30th of the 5th 2020, and the payments have gone down massively. So going from 18 Raptoreum paid every single day to 5. Let's have a look over the monthly. Okay. Let's have a little look of how much that actually is. So it's only 41 cents. And sats, Raptoreum. Let's have a look. So in total, my total collateral is 8,841 Raptoreum. Total rewarded is 1,308. When I actually signed up, it was saying that you would roughly get around about 50%, in total for the end of the year for actually being with them in total. So I've been with Raptoreum with this for as long as it's been up, and when I actually started to invest in here, this was up to about maybe over $100 worth of coins. So over the period of time, this has gone down massively in value. So, and they do offer currently at the moment some Firo sort of staking nodes, so we'll be definitely trying to consider checking out some of those. And if you guys want to see something like that, definitely let me know in the comments below. So let's have a little check over on some of the other stats on here. So what's it saying? So it says the daily PR and the yearly PR is 21.99%, and I believe that, and the INodez is 53%. Okay, and there's only 379. So as I say, when I first ever started looking at this, there was only around about 100 to 200 nodes created. But yeah, the earnings have massively gone down. I wouldn't directly recommend anybody to send any Raptoreum across to it. One, just because Raptoreum itself is just an absolute dying coin at this specific second. I am a big fan of the Raptoreum and the developers and things like that. I am part of their Discord community. I do think they're a bunch of great guys. But since that coin's been up, it's been only on a massive decrease, even though they have been trying to kick out some new types of projects. And as you can see here, where we are right now is where it was basically over the exact same time over a year ago. So potentially, if we have anything like this again, it will be pretty good. But as you can see, in the last 200 days change, it's down 74.86%. So, I mean, that's a massive loss when it comes to the amount of money that's been invested into this. But as I say, I'm willing to hold it out and keep the smart node there and see how it goes in the future. And if anything does actually happen with it, or anything does pump up or anything like that, I'll definitely make sure to do an update video, guys, and let you guys see how it went and paid out. But thanks for watching this video, guys. If you do like to see this type of content, please do let us know in the comment, and make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.